lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave.
Hello you guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about my Boxycharm box, and I have to say I'm pretty amazed with the products that came in this month. I swear Boxycharm never disappoints me. So this month I got a really interesting box, and you know, all the time I never watch the posts that they do because I want to be surprised to see what's gonna come in the box, and I always end up just looking at the comments after I get my box, and everybody's always complaining because they're always getting stuff they didn't want. And I really don't understand why people complain. Just because you are paying $21 for something that is worth more than $100, and honestly whatever you get in the box, I feel like it's totally worth it. So people, you gotta stop complaining because you guys don't know what you're talking about. Hold on, I already opened everything because I did do a little tutorial for Instagram. Don't forget to watch it. I'm gonna leave my name description down here. So this month I got this from Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and I thought it was primer, but honestly it doesn't, and it has like this little glitter in it, which you can't notice it once it's on your skin. I did also use my primer just because I have so much problems right here, and I didn't really want to risk, you know, that this wasn't primer. And I did use a little bit just of my mattifying primer just on the T-zone, and then I did put this over. Honestly, I have to say I did notice a difference because for the first time I did my makeup with the brush, and I tried to do it with the sponge, but it was like I don't know how to explain. I put the sponge on my face and the foundation just came off, and I was like, so I had to do it with a brush, and my makeup looks beautiful. Like, my skin looks so goddamn pretty. So I did mix it also with my foundation, just a little drop, and I love mixing stuff with my foundation, personal pleasure. And yeah, I think I have to keep on trying this. I'm gonna try it without a primer to see how it works out, but I did love this today. So also I got the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo, and these are so pigmented, but I think I messed up and I used a fluffy brush to apply it. It did blend and it does look pretty nice, beautiful actually, but it was kind of a hassle, you know, to get it on the brush. So I think this is more for like a flat brush. They're like so creamy, but these are the two colors that came in the box, and let me just say that I love how it came out. I only applied the purplish on my lid, and then the silver in my inner corner. That's actually all I did. I didn't do anything else, didn't apply liner, didn't apply anything else to my eyes but that, and I feel like it looks beautiful. Honestly, you can't see because of my freaking lighting. I'm so done with life with it, but it'll get better. So next thing, which I fell in love, and I was actually telling my boyfriend, like, I really need a mascara. I just don't want to spend my money on mascara because I don't like to pay more than 20 bucks for mascara, but I like them to work, so that's just my dilemma. Anyways, I got the Tarte Big Eggo mascara. First off, dude, the packaging is so pretty. Love the color. Like, they're on the neon colors right now. I love the color of it. And the applicator, I love the applicator. It's big and it makes the lashes just grow. Mascaras for me, I am really picky because I do not like when a mascara, you know, leaves residue under your eyes. So I didn't see anything while I was doing my makeup. I did notice that my lashes look way bigger, and I do have a nice lash, like natural lash, but I think because of using so many falsies, I've been noticing that they don't look that long. But this mascara is bomb. Better Than Sex mascara is not doing the job for me. Is my Becca Hydra Mist and Refreshing Powder. I was shook, like shook. The container is really nice, you know, really simple. It says Becca on the top. Ooh, hi. And then you open like that. Everything is right there. Now as I said, I did my makeup today with only brushes because for some reason the sponge wasn't working for me. So I did start applying with this one right here, and I grabbed some and I started applying it under my eyes, and I was like, wait a minute, this thing is wet. Oh shoot. Oh, I messed up my makeup. So it felt like this thing was wet. And so I changed to a different brush, and then it felt wet. And I was like, oh my gosh, but it felt like wet that feels good on your face, like when you're setting your face and it feels really, really nice. That's how it felt. And I was like, what the heck? And then I read the box. It says Hydra Mist set, so that means like it's supposed to feel wet, I guess. So then I grabbed a little flat brush like this, and I did set like all my face, and my whole face just felt like so cool. It felt like you were misting your face with like a really nice setting spray or refreshing spray, and I was shook, like for real. I've never felt a powder like this. You guys know how I love my Fenty Beauty setting powder. That's my go-to. I don't think I can like another powder like I like that one, but this one actually did do a pretty nice, decent job. My face looks amazing. I have a lot of texture on my face, so setting powders sometimes are the ones that, you know, help out the most, and this one I think it's gonna be a go-to. Just the feeling of the wetness is mind-blowing. So this is really cool, Becca. Like, you really surprised me with this one. Last but not least, it's the Steve Laurent lip liner, and this is in the color Vogue. And I love this lip liner. It looks like so natural and subtle. It's like a pinkish mauvish color, and I have been using a lot of lip liners lately, just as a color or a base, and just put lip gloss on top. So I'm really happy I got a lip liner because I've been using them, but I'm just not that person that would go to the store and buy a lip liner just because. Like, I can't. If I ever go to Ulta, I might pick up some lip liners from NYX, but that's rare. Like, really rare. So I did enjoy this lip liner so much. Probably next time you'll see it, it'll be shorter. So yeah, guys, that's all I got in my Boxycharm box this month. I loved absolutely every single product in the box. If you do want to join Boxycharm, I'm gonna leave my link down in the description box, so you can just hit the link and it'll send you to the charm page. Yeah, you only spend 21 cents on this box, but believe me, the stuff you get in it, even though you don't like one of the things that you got, it's worth it, because just the setting powder by itself, I think it's like $42. Oh, it's $39. And then the Glow Ahead oil is $42. So there you already have like almost $100 worth on two things. So I really recommend this box. I've been getting the box for more than a year, almost going to 2 years. No, like a year and something. And I always enjoy every single product that I get, and the things I don't enjoy, most of the time I just probably give it to someone, or I just still have them here somewhere in my stuff. So yeah guys, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share, and obviously subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you're notified when I upload new videos. I love you guys so much. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram once more. I'm going to upload a little small tutorial there. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.